Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 31st and last day of March of 2026. And we just got done with US Closed Live Trading Room, and here's a trade taken in the room today. Now, as we do just about every day, we look for our strong candle indicator, which is this little this little green triangle pointing upwards, saying go ahead and take this trade long towards the top of the screen, which we're going to do. So the next thing we know where we're going. So now we need to know how far this might go. So we look over here at the PVI, and I expect the next candle to be somewhere between 80 and 110 ticks long. So we're going to go with our bigger ATM. We're going to go for 20s on the first target, 2 times 20, then 50 and 100 for runners. And we de-risk after 20 ticks. So here's how it went down in the room today. So we'll go ahead and put the order on. We're going to buy. Need this to retrace just a little bit. I'm going to push retrace off that 4 hour low. And we don't want to get in yet. We need this to push down first, which I believe, I know it does, because we did this just a little while ago. Now it's already paid without without any retrace, but we'll just wait. I always like waiting for retraces, especially when we close over brick walls. So I want to push retrace reject off this brick wall. Okay, take your time. Okay. It's a little different than what we usually do. So now let's see if it pushes off the brick wall here. Here we go. Come on down. Give me a retrace. All right, there we go. Now, I know you may not, if you're new to trading, you may not understand that, but it did already pay and fail. Now it's going to come back and pay off this brick wall. And it's just the way we do things here. Usually we put a cover order on. That's a little bit too much. It would have paid the cover order just fine. But now that we've got a retrace, we should be in much better position. We'll go ahead and speed it up now. And as soon as we hit our 20 tick target, we'll de-risk the trade. There we go. And now we're back into it again. Yeah, second target's out. So 20s and 50s are out. We have no risk left on this trade. And now we have to just see if the next candle will come up and pay our larger target. Again, we all we can do is make money on this. So even if the market came back and took us out here at minus 18, There we go. Boom, that's out. The entire trade for both candles took 6 minutes and 15 seconds to complete and was worth 970 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 970 US dollars in basically 6 and a little bit more minutes, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. That's SamuraiDayTrading.com. We look forward to seeing you in the live trading room very soon. God bless you, and we'll see you next time.